Hi guys, hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make audio spectrum. Uh, are you ready? So let's get started. I am going to introduce you a website where you can make audio spectrum for free. Are you ready? So open your browser and go to this website, music.org, where you can make music audio spectrum. First, you should load your audio file. So I'm going to choose an audio file. Let me. This one, for example, and this one. For example, this one, okay? So, and here you can add background, as you can see here. So I'm going to change the background of the music. I'm going to choose this one, okay? As you can see, this is the image where you can change from here, and here you can change the text. As you can see, the name of the artist, I'm going to write, for example, Alan Walker, for example. And here you can change also the title of the song, for example, Bip, for example. And this is now ready. As you can see, if I play this one, as you can see, once it's ready, you should click here, export, as you can see, and click here, start encoding, and click export. As you can see, it's exporting. Once the export is finished, you can check your audio spectrum file. That's it, guys. Hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.